Evaluation of infix expression. Infix notation is commonly used in arithmetic formula or statement. The operators are written in between their operands. Let us assume the below. Operands are real numbers. The permitted operators are plus, minus, star, hash and exponentation, and blanks are permitted in expression. Parenthesis also permitted in the expression. So here the simple example, a into b plus c divided by d. Here we can assign the value of this expression. A is 2, b is 5, c is 3 and d is 4, right? So first we can add these two values, 5 plus 3, 8. So the expression is 2 into 8 divided by 4. The next we can evaluate division operation. So 8 divided by 4 means 2. So the next operation is 2 into 2, that is 4. The output is also 4, right? Then we will use two stack operation in an expression. First, operand stack. This stack will be used to keep track of numbers. Another one is keep track of operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, right? Order of precedence of operations are exponential, slash and multiplication, plus or minus, right? And open parenthesis and close parenthesis are used to override these rules, right? Then let us define the process we will be used for the main algorithm. First one is pop out two values from the operand stack. Let's say it is A and B. Then pop out operation from operator stack. Let's say it is plus. Then do A plus B and push the result to the operand stack, right? The next algorithm, iterate through the given expression one character at a time. The following algorithm are, first one is if the character is operand, push it onto the operand stack, right? If the character is operator, if the operator stack is empty, then push it onto the operator stack. Else, if the operator stack is not empty, if the character precedence is greater than or equal to the precedence of the stack, top of the operator stack, then push it onto the character to the operator stack, right? Then if the character precedence is less than the precedence of the stack, top of the operator stack, then do process until the character precedence is less or stack is not empty. Then if the character is open parenthesis, then push it onto the operator stack. Or if the character is close parenthesis, then do process until the corresponding open parenthesis encountered in operator stack. Now just pop out of open parenthesis. So once the expression is iteration is completed and the operator stack is not empty, do process until the operator stack is empty. The value left in the operand stack is our final result. So this is the example for infix expression. The expression is 2 into 5 into 3 plus 6 divided by 15 minus 2, right? So let us know about this expression. First one is operand is there, right? 2 is the operand. So push it onto the empty operand stack. So 2 can be pushed it onto empty operand stack. The next one is star symbol. So that is the operator. So it is push it onto the operator stack. The next one is symbol. Open parenthesis. It is also a operator. So we can push it onto the operator stack, right? The next one is 5. 5 is the operand. Operand is, it is pushed onto the operand stack. The next one is star symbol. Star is the operator, so it will be pushed it onto the operator stack, right? Then open parenthesis. Open parenthesis also a operator, so it is pushed it onto the operator stack. The next one is 3. 3 is the operand, so 3 is pushed it onto the operand. So next one is plus operator. So plus operator is the operator, so it is push it onto the operator stack. The next one is 6. Push it onto the operand stack, right? So 6 is push it onto the operand stack. The next one is close parenthesis. So now pop 6 and 3 from the operand stack, the pop plus from operator stack. So pop 6 and 3 means we can remove these two operands 6 and 3. So we can use the addition operator, right? Pop plus from operator stack, do 6 plus 3 is 9, right? 6 plus 3 is 9. Then push 9 to operand stack, pop open parenthesis from the operator stack, right? So we can add we can use this operator in the operand 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 is inserted into the operand stack, and one parenthesis operator will be in the operator stack. So do the process until open parenthesis popped from the operator stack, right? The next one is close parenthesis. So pop 9 and 5 from the operand stack, that is pop star from operator stack, right? So that is 9 into, we can take about the operator star symbol, right? So 9 into 5 is equal to 45, right? So 9 into 5 is equal to 45. So push it 45 into operand stack. So 45, the remainder one element is also there, 2. Here do the process until the open parenthesis pop from the operator stack, right? The next symbol is slash. Push it onto the where. Here are the both open parenthesis and close parenthesis also cancel. Remaining one operator is there. The next operator is slash. It is push it onto the operator stack, right? So the slash has equal precedence of star and slash have the equal precedence of operator. So push 15 to operand on the stack. So another operand is 15. It is pushed onto the operand stack. Then pop 15 and 45 from operand stack. Pop slash from operator stack, right? So we can equal precedence, so we can remove slash operator. So 45 divided by 15 is equal to 3, and push 3 into the operand stack, right? Here the lower precedence with lower precedence than slash do this process, right? Then pop 3 and 2 from the operand stack, then pop star from the operator stack, that is 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So 6 is pushed onto the operand stack. The next push minus into the operand stack. So minus symbol is the operand stack. Then push 2 into the operand stack. Push 2 and 6 from the operand stack. Pop minus from operand stack, right? So 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Push 4 to operand stack. So the push operand stack is 4. Now given expression is inserted, do process till operator stack is not empty. It will give the final result, right? Thank you.